Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to cut hair with scissors, very easy. It's very important when you cut with scissors and the comb, you must to keep very close to the skin, the comb, when you blend it in this situation. Yeah, if you watch at Lori, you're going to see the scissors follow the comb everywhere. Yeah, this is very important. Yeah, look with attention and you're going to see how nice the comb is going easy in the hair. Yeah, if you follow these steps, you're going to do very nice blend every time. Leave a comment below and let me know what you want to learn next, and don't forget to smash the like button. Just finishing to one side and after you move to another side. It's very important to have this technique in your arsenal. If you follow these steps, you're gonna be doing very good. Look how nice and small is coming after this technique. Yeah. Now we're gonna focus on this side and we're gonna blend in the same way, in the same steps. Yeah, look how nice the comb is touching the skin, and look how scissors is follow the comb everywhere we need it to blend. Don't forget to give a like to the video and subscribe to our channel because we make tutorials every week. See you in the next one.